Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag Dishwasher upper Dishrack wheel assembly. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new upper Dishrack wheel assembly. The upper Dishrack wheel assembly is what the upper Dishrack rides in and out on. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and the upper Dishrack's not going in and out properly. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we can pull the upper Dishrack out. We're not going to pull it out all the way, just about halfway, so we can take the end caps off the rails. To get the end caps off, there's a little locking tab right here on the outside. So we're going to press on the inside to release that. And then we can rotate the end cap in towards the middle of the dishwasher. And once you have it free, you can slide it over and pull it off. The one on this side comes off the same way. Once you have the end caps off, we can pull the upper dish rack off. We put a towel down on top of the countertop to protect it. We're just going to turn it over and set it on the countertop. There's 4 wheel assemblies on the dish rack. They're all changed out the same way. There's a locking tab that holds on the upper dish rack wheel assembly. So we're going to use a couple small flathead screwdrivers to take it off. We're going to use one to push in on the actual locking tab, and then another one to push down on the actual tab assembly. Once you have it released, the assembly should fall forward, and we can just turn it and pull it off the dish rack. Here's the old upper dish rack wheel assembly next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new wheel assembly on, we're just going to put it through the rack in the same spot that we took the old one off. And we can turn it. Then we have to rotate it down. Once you have it in place, you can lift up on the locking tab so it's locked onto the rack. Once you have the part installed, we can put the rack back in. To put the rack back in, we're just going to grab it and line it up with the rails. Once you have the wheels lined up, you can push it in. Once you have the dish rack on the rails, you want to push it in about halfway. Then we can put the end caps on. To put the end caps on, all you have to do is line them up, just like when we took them off, and push them onto the rail. Once you have it on there, we're going to press on the little release tab again and pull it all the way over so it locks in place. Once you have this one in, we can do the one on the other side. Once you have both end caps in, we can push the rack in the rest of the way. We can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.